Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and vitamin E, which nourish hair follicles, strengthen strands, and promote growth. Here are 9 ways to use flaxseed for healthier, fuller hair. 1. Flaxseed hair gel. Boil 1/4 cup of flax seeds in 2 cups of water until it forms a gel-like consistency. Strain and apply as a natural styling gel that also nourishes the scalp. 2. Flaxseed hair mask. Mix to TBSP flaxseed powder with yogurt and honey. Apply to the scalp and hair for deep conditioning and growth stimulation. 3. Flaxseed oil scalp massage. Warm flaxseed oil and massage it into your scalp to improve blood circulation and strengthen hair roots. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing. 4. Flaxseed and coconut oil blend. Mix flaxseed oil with coconut oil for a powerful moisturizing and strengthening treatment. Apply weekly to reduce breakage and split ends. 5. Flaxseed smoothies for hair health. Add 1 TBSP ground flaxseed to your smoothie. The nutrients work from within to improve hair growth and texture. 6. Flaxseed water rinse. Soak flax seeds in water overnight and strain the next day. Use the infused water as a final rinse to add shine and volume. 7. Flaxseed and aloe vera treatment. Mix flaxseed gel with aloe vera for extra hydration and scalp nourishment. Apply it as a leave-in conditioner or hair mask. 8. Flaxseed in your diet. Sprinkle ground flaxseed on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. The omega-3 South and antioxidants support hair growth from the inside out. 9. Flaxseed and egg protein treatment. Blend flaxseed gel with an egg and apply it to hair. The protein strengthens strands and promotes thickness. Would you like a specific recipe or method in more detail?